Guys, Andreas back here with another video. Sorry about the lighting. Here's Michael. So I was saying earlier we're gonna get the $700 Miata we got for $500 on Craigslist, which is parts, and we're on our way right now. We're actually in Michael's Miata, and McDonald's getting some stuff. He getting food, I'm getting some water, and we're gonna head off. After this we're gonna go to the bank, get the money for it, and then we're gonna go head over straight to the guy's place. It's about a 40-minute drive, and then I'll update you guys more when we get closer over there, and I'll talk to you guys when we get there. Alright guys, so we're in the Miata right now, driving to go get the car, or to go look at it and pay the money. We are about another half an hour on the freeway-ish, and then we'll be there. He's driving. Sorry. So yeah, we're in a little Miata here, so I have to talk loudly because the top's down and you hear a lot of wind probably in the background. So I'll just update you guys little bits here and there when we get closer, or maybe I'll take some shots while we're driving, who knows. But anyways, I'll update you guys when we get closer to the car itself. Stay tuned, guys. What's up, guys? It's Andreas here, back with another video for Projects Unlimited. And today we're going to be picking up the Miata. We want to go bought the Miata on Friday, and today is Sunday. We're going to go pick it up. First, I have to get a couple things. I'm going to get another toolkit from the Camaro, which is right here. As you can kind of see, it's just sitting here, not really moving right now. It's a ground issue as far as we're concerned, me and Michael. But anyways, I'm going to go grab the charger from it, charge the battery up on this thing. Then I'm going to go grab the toolkit for the Tacoma, so we can go drive up there and go get it. We're going to have a tow company tow it down for us, but I'm going to put all the loose things on the back of my truck so we don't lose a couple, things. It's a convertible, so things may just fly out. So I'm going to do that. So let me go do the charger, the toolkit. I'll get back to you guys in just a little bit. Hey guys, Andreas here back, and we got the Miata on the trailer. A little bit, wait, hold on. Alright guys, we got the Miata on the trailer here. This is what it looks like. I haven't showed you guys anything of it yet, but here it is. Put the spare on. See, it's all damaged here. The frame is all fucked. But engine has 70,000 miles on it, rebuilt, I believe, JDM engine. So I was told.
Good to meet you guys.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Get you squared away the rest of the way.
Oh yeah, shit, I forgot about that. And
Yeah.
if I find any more parts from it that I forgot about, I'll give them to you guys somehow.
All right.
Yeah.
And you have my number, so.
Yeah, I got your number and Instagram
Nice to meet you,
and
guys.
everything. Yeah, you too, man.
Yeah. Got all this stuff here. So it's going to my aunt's house, which is where my Miata is.
Yeah, exactly.
And we got the rest of the stuff back here. We got the hood for it and a couple other things. So I'm going to put the tarp over it so it'll all be secure. Then we will head out. We'll see you back at my aunt's house. See you guys. Alright guys, so we're here back with the Miata. Michael's here.
Hey.
He's undoing the hood because we got a new one here. This was from this car over here, from the donor car I showed you earlier. That wasn't on the car when we got it. He had to get it from a buddy's house, the guy he bought it from. And here's the car kind of in better light here, I guess. So I believe it's a 1990 or 91.
I think it was a 92.
But the hood, so it's either 90 or 91.
Yeah.
Not 100% sure. The valence is bad for the, and then there was a big wing on here. He sold that, so there are a bunch of holes. I'm gonna keep the trunk though, just so I can fix it up. I'm keeping the trunk, the top here, the suspension, which is like our teen suspension, which is pretty good and better than stock. I'm keeping the hood, radios, hood's out. That one has the Wolverine kind of look to it, as you can kind of see up here. That was for a turbo exit, which is obviously not the right way to do it. There were probably some tweakers working on it before. Oh wait, does it have this last piece on it? None of our cars have that.
For that side, I don't think so.
Do all cars not? Oh, is that just?
I've never seen one, so I don't know.
Maybe they just don't come with them on there.
Maybe.
Or they're just always lost. I don't know. That's it's a weird thing. But so yeah, here's the more in depth, I guess. Like I said, the engine and trans are going to be put into his car, I believe, which has.
We still don't know about that.
That's what we're thinking about that, or he's thinking about it. And then if we do that, then his motor and trans will be put into some kind of like off-road bucky, hopefully in the near future. So Michael's taking all the rims, which only 3 of them are good, but one of them is like cracked. I'll show you right here. It's in the back of the truck. This is what we use to carry the miscellaneous parts. This is the rim here. You can see it's really cracked right here. You know, it's fucked. So he's gonna buy another one just to replace this, like $100 per, you know, $110 something per rim.
Yeah.
He's gonna go and replace them, so he'll have a matching set. He's gonna keep his sunflowers just for an extra set of 4. If you don't know, the sunflowers are the original 14-inch rims that come on the car. And like I said before, I have these 16-inch Anki Mazda rims, came off an 02 Miata Special Edition. I got these for under $80 a while ago. Set of 4. Huh?
Quotation marks are on the special edition.
Yeah, I think they were on special. I don't know for sure, but yeah, they may have just regular one. I don't know. So what we're doing with this one, mainly, like I said, just taking it for parts, and whatever else we don't need, we're gonna like sell it. For example, this door is in perfect condition, which that side is not. So they put some random things here that we can take off. He's taking the power windows, like I said, a couple other things, the rims, seat, just the passenger seat, gauge cluster. Are you taking the gauges?
Probably.
Okay.
Because it's still a usable part.
Yeah. Also about the engine, I guess I was told this was a JDM engine with 70,000 miles on it, rebuilt. So that's not the original motor, but it is a 16 or a 1.6 liter, like mine, but like ours. But ours are not JDM, just USDM. Oh wow, that looks better.
I still need to tighten it down.
Okay.
But I wanted to check the alignment on it.
That looks good. Thank you. I'm also going to take off some of the stuff for the wiper fluid.
I'm going to ask you to use your free hand in order to tighten those down.
Sure.
Because we don't want it to shift on the hinges too much.
Lift it up all the way, or do I have to do it from here?
You have to do it like this.
Alright, is it on Titan?
It's on Titan.
Okay. I don't think you guys seen me work on a car in a while.
Just do one on each side for now.
Oh, so just...
Yeah, just do the first one on each side. I'm going to check the panel gap again. See if they got it right. If I got it right.
Okay, there we go.
Yeah. That's about even.
I think so.
Yeah, well, I'm okay with that.
Alright. So I'm also getting the front bumper and the rear bumper. Because as you can see, my bumper, my rear bumper, it's actually not in bad condition. It's just the paint is chipped on it.
Yeah, the other rear bumper has a dent on it, so I don't know what you want to do about that.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
Where's the dent at? What area? Well, we can't really see because it's... Here, let me go on the other side.
In the center back there.
Oh, is it? I didn't see it. Oh, on the bottom?
Yeah.
That's not too bad. Just a little scratched up though, but yeah, I may take that or just repaint mine. It's not too bad. I mean, I'll still take it, but I'll just have an extra bumper and stuff. And the front isn't really as bad as it looks. The back is just like a little bit bent up here, and then the paint's just a little bad. On mine though, you can see I used some Summit Racing stickers just to put on the side here, but this is a hole right there, and it's really faded, as you can kind of tell also. So I'm getting the new bumpers and such, and this doesn't stand all the way. This thing is weird, that one bolt on the light. But yeah, guys, I'll teach you guys a little bit more when more things are removed and all that. Stay tuned. So guys, back here with another little update on for you guys on the Miatas, and so we have the hood. I think I showed you this before. The hood on mine, the hood from this car on mine now looks good. Everything, yeah. The gas cap was changed out, and I got the license plates.
The bolts for the radiator.
Yeah, the radiator bolts are on my car, and I got the plate on this car from this one. It is still registered, so I don't know if I should say this on video, but I may end up switching the VIN tags.
Yeah, no, that's an edited out.
Yeah, so these plates are from the other car. I'm just having them on for looks, just to see how it looks, and it looks pretty cool. And the exhaust on that car is usable from the test pipe because it is catless. but it's quieter, which is nice, which is what I'm aiming for. So I'm gonna put the from the cat back, basically just grab all the stuff from there and put it on here, and then I have another piece I can use for the front, like before the cat, just so it'll all bolt up properly. But that cat may be bad, so I may end up figuring that out. But the radio I have now for this, the harness and everything for it. I also have an original radio I found in the back of the trunk for it. This is the Miata stock radio that came in brand new. It's kind of cool. I'm not sure if I'm going to sell it or not. Probably just keep it for now. Spare tires in here now, mounted on there with the boot on it, the cover I guess. A couple of things I'm going to be putting in. I have a couple trim pieces here, that's in the trunk. And then we're going to put some of the interior back on from this car. I'm taking the seatbelt area right here. I need another belt for the seatbelt on the passenger side. And like I said, we did get the bolts also from the radiator. So I have, mine isn't loose anymore, mine actually holds. It's secure. I'm not sure exactly what else I'm taking besides what I mentioned before, like the top, but that's going to be later on because the top is kind of a hard thing to do one day. So radiator support doesn't move around. Right now he's just trying to get the door, you know, off so we can access a couple things. What are you trying to access again? Just trying to get the door off. He's just trying to get off so he has more access to other things, like not 100% sure what, but just things that are in the area. I think that the seatbelt thing is also in the way right here. So I'm getting those trim pieces, which requires the door to come off. I got the gas cap, like I said. He's taking my matte black one. And again, I'm taking the hood, the bumper, front bumper as well. He's taking the taillights. I'm getting the spare. I was all 2 spares. Excuse me real quick. Yeah, so that's what's going on now. And this is the JDM motor, like I mentioned, because look, there's Japanese writing. Isn't that kind of cool, guys? So that's actually pretty cool. It's a real JDM motor. So anyways, yeah. Oh, and I also took the windshield wiper housings off of that car because mine were blue, as you remember, and now they're just regular black, so they look a little bit cleaner and not mismatched colored. But I have the original ones. I'm gonna keep them here, so I have extras. Oh, here's the trim piece for the inside that I was mentioning, for right here on the door jamb. But yeah, guys, more updates later on to come whenever things get more things I figured out. See ya. Alright guys, here back with the back with some updates on the cars, on the Miatas. Now Adam's here, working on the Miatas. He's getting a couple of things off of the car as well. Right now we're getting he's getting something off for Adam. He's getting the ignition because he's getting a different set of keys from this car because his doesn't work well, and I'm getting his just for the locks, so I have a matching set that can open my center console with. And then I'm also getting these pieces here, and then I got the sun visors because I need those. And yeah, everything's pretty much going all right. Let's see here. I got a couple other things here. The radios I showed you already. Oh, let me show you what I did do.
I think I have wire cutters or something in my backpack. Can you grab those?
Me? Yeah.
Yeah, somewhere.
Cause yeah, they're right here. Oh, do you mind getting the radio out too for me? The radio harness?
Hang on.
Okay, actually, no, with that, that's fine. Oh, okay. I think I have some in my bag. Okay, hold on. So here I got the new wiper unit with new hose, and it does work only on this one. The other one doesn't work really. It could just be a clogged. I think it's just a clog. I have to fix that probably. I'll figure that out later. But yeah, I have that. That's good, kind of. So anyways, that's that. Let's see what else. Got this bolted on like I said last time. Everything else is going pretty well. I'll talk to you guys more with when anything else happens. Yeah, stay tuned, guys.